This is just a quick little video on how to use Vocaroo. So first of all, go to vocaroo.com and this is your landing page. So what you'll want to do is simply click on the red button and it'll probably prompt you to use your microphone, so you'll have to allow that. Once you allow that once in your browser, then it shouldn't prompt you again unless you go to the settings in that. So I'm going to click allow, and then it's counting how many seconds I have, and it's unlimited as long as your internet stays connected. So once I've said what I needed to say, I press the stop button. I can either redo it and start over, or I can play it. I would suggest you listen to it and make sure that it sounds okay. And then after that, you just click save and share. So these are the options. It gives you a link that you can just copy and paste. You can download the audio file onto your computer. You can delete it if you don't want it. You can embed it, so it gives you embed code that you can copy and put that into websites and Canvas. And then it also gives you a QR code if you want to save that and post it somewhere. And then it also has some social media outlets and email that you can present to post on as well. So that's about it.